Microsoft keeps making Windows 8.1 more user-friendly with new mouse and keyboard updates. At a recent Microsoft Build developer conference in San Francisco, the Washington-based company formally unveiled the release date for the latest updates to its Windows 8.1 OS. As of April 8, those updates are live and can be downloaded by anyone through Windows Update under the name Windows 8.1 Patch 1. So what are we getting with the new Patch 1 updates? Well, the core user interface for 8.1 has finally been tweaked to make it more accessible and friendly to mouse and keyboard users. Some of the changes include the following improvements. Apps designed to be used from the full-screen Metro interface can now be transferred to the desktop taskbar and used straight from there, eliminating the need to enter the tile screen on machines without a touch interface. The taskbar can now also be used from within the Metro app's tile screen, and the screen itself will have its own dedicated power and search buttons. Best of all, machines without a touch screen capability that use Windows 8.1 can now be set to start up directly to the desktop screen, letting users avoid the Metro tile display completely, at least when turning on their computer. At 700 megabytes, the patch is pretty heavy, so be sure to dedicate more than a few minutes to getting it installed, and yes, you need to have your Windows 8.1 update installed first before you can access Patch 1. Nat Eliason. Nat is the founder of the marketing agency Growth Machine. He shares lifestyle tips on Lifehack. Read full profile. Do you want to keep a budget but aren't sure where to start? Or maybe you have your money in a few different places and want an easy way to keep an eye on it all. We scoured the web and app stores to find the best money management apps so you can dive in, start saving money, and live more financially secure. 1. Mint. Mint is a great app for seeing where all of your money is on all of your devices. It can track your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments. You can also use it to plan budgets and future expenses. But its main focus is on giving you a financial overview. You Need a Budget. YNAB is a great tool for setting a budget and sticking to it. YNAB is nicely designed and gives you a clear report of where your money is going, as well as tools and 4 rules for budgeting to help you save. Spendy is a budget and expense tracker with a heavy focus on design. Spendy is truly beautiful and does a good job of showing you where all of your money is going and how you can adjust course. The only downside is that you'll need to manually enter your transactions. Expensify is perfect for the business traveler who wants to easily create expense reports of where he or she is spending money. You can do things such as take pictures of receipts, track your time, log any distances traveled, and print it out whenever you want to for expense reporting. Budge is another good app for helping you watch your budget, and it's geared towards college students and other people on more strict monthly incomes. If you're a student trying to make sure you stick within a certain allowance, this is a great app for you. Dollarbird is a personal finance app that focuses around creating a calendar of your expenses to give you a high-level view of your expenditures, as well as predict big expenses that will come up in the future. It's great for making sure you have a macro-level view of your financial situation. The Pocket Expense app is an alternative to Mint. It gives you an overview of all of your accounts and expenses, and helps you keep everything in check without too many bells and whistles. Toshal is a fun, personal financial management app that has many of the features of the other apps on this list, and adds in fun animated characters to make it more interesting. It's also one of the few to also have an app for Windows phones. Budget Boss is interesting because it learns your spending habits, and in addition to helping you make a budget, it can predict your spending over time in order to let you know where you'll likely be at financially in the future. It's great for helping you adjust course from spending too much of your money. Those are our top 9 picks for great budgeting tools. But ultimately, the most important thing is that you have some sort of money management system. Keeping track of our money is important for ensuring that we're on track for all of our financial goals. Text source: lifehack.org.